Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another mukbang episode, and look what I got here. I got me some Popeyes. Um, and the thing is, I wanted to apologize. I've been gone for a few weeks. I'm really sorry. Today is October 16th, as you can see there. I don't know if it was Zoom or not. Today is October 16th, so I just landed back from New York City. Last week I was at San Diego for a week for work. So that's 2+ weeks that I've been gone. But I'm back. I miss you guys, you know. So I know there's no fancy intro or anything like that, but I just wanted to get straight to it because I just landed and I'm hungry. I just want to tear up some food and hang out with you guys and talk with you guys for a little bit. But yeah, I got some mashed potatoes and I got a whole box of chicken. Look at that. 9 pieces. 9 pieces. Guys, so let's just get into it here. Let me find you a big piece here. Find you a big piece. Take a big bite out of that. Look at that. Oh man. Popeyes. But yeah, I gave you that big piece so you can take a bite out of. I'm gonna go to the wings here. Let me see. Oh my god, but I'm so tired, but I actually napped in the airplane, so I should be okay. Oh, look at the steam. Wow, nice and hot. How you guys been doing out there? You guys been doing good? I hope so. I had a good time in New York. That was really fun. So I actually flew my parents into New York, and I met up with them and took them out for 4 or 5 days to go do all the touristy stuff. So, and so when I was at Popeyes, I was curious about the chicken sandwich thing. Today's October 16th. Still no sandwich to be found. I think it's been a good month already. Sorry, Popeyes, but I think we're gonna end up forgetting about you about this chicken sandwich thing. You better bring out that sandwich soon. I love the wings part. It's so good. But yeah, when I was in California last week, I did film an In-N-Out burger and a Jack in the Box. The Jack in the Box was a complete failure because what happened was after work. So I went to San Diego for a work conference, and afterwards we had to go meet up for early dinner. So I thought I was gonna go home or go back to the hotel after the conference and go be able to do a mukbang, but I wasn't. So I went to that early dinner after the conference. They fed us, and then I went to Jack in the Box to go get some more food to eat. And I wasn't able to eat much, so that was a horrible episode. And then I did an In-N-Out burger, so that was cool. And I tried to fit in Jollibee, but I wasn't able to fit in Jollibee. That sucked. Yeah, and that week in San Diego, I stayed an extra day after the training conference or whatever, and ended up taking my dad fishing. I ended up getting sick. Ended up puking right on the side of the boat. Well, so that sucked, but it was still fun, I guess. But the sucky part about being on that fishing boat is we didn't catch that much stuff. So the captain of the boat was kind of new, so he didn't really know where the hot fishing spots were. So, well, better luck next time. But since today is Wednesday, oh, for some reason I always crave this Chinese restaurant down the street. But they're always closed on Wednesdays. So, man. Huh. Today's batch is really good. Nice and crunchy. And it's still hot. So for the past 2 weeks, since I've been out of town or whatever, I haven't had a chance to watch a lot of YouTube, or other mukbangers out there. Not even Zach Choi. No. I wonder if he's hit the I forgot what mark he's at. Is he at 5 million? 6 million? I forgot what the next milestone is that he's supposed to be hitting. I just know he's on beast mode. There's no other mukbanger out there in the world that's grown the way he has. Not from my knowledge anyways. Not that I know of. The guy averages 20 to 25,000 people a day. It's amazing. Yeah, so since my parents never been to New York City, I try to take them to as many places as possible. Statue of Liberty, the observation deck of that trade center, which is the highest point in the U.S. nowadays. Took them to Chinatown, Times Square, Botanical Gardens, the Metropolitan Museum, the Natural History Museum. Man, the schedule was just jam-packed. It was crazy how jam-packed that schedule was. And of course, part of the tour of New York is getting lost in the subway system. Woo! Wow, that subway system is amazing. You can go anywhere you want in that subway system. You just got to know where to go and what tracks to get onto. They have different numbers and letters, different colors, everywhere. You know, the hard part was not reading the maps. But when you got out of the subway and you look around, you didn't know what was north, south, east, west. So you didn't know where to take a left or right or go, up or down or whatever. That was the hard part, But reading the map was easy. I just didn't know exactly where once I got off the subway. Yeah, I took them on a nighttime tour bus. We drove all around New York for an hour. And I took them to two churches. One of the churches was one of the biggest Catholic churches around in the U.S. And then the other church was the the fifth biggest church in the world. So that was pretty cool. Got to see the architecture of the buildings, things like that. Yeah, for them, I think the most fun for them was going to the churches to see how the buildings were made and how, how, I don't know, amazing the architecture was.
We came at a bad time when they remodeled, huh?
I think that was the highlight of the trip for them. For me, it's just being able to take them around. The tough part is, you know, eventually parents do get older, and I know that some people's parents passed away right after like high school, or even, not even past elementary school, or whatever it is, whatever happens, so I just wanted to take them out and have some memories with them. No, you never could know, So if you have parents and you love them, just appreciate them a little bit more, because one day, they're not gonna be around. Unfortunately. Well, my parents are gradually getting older, so they don't have as much energy, not as mobile as they used to be. So they're kind of a little bit slower. So we just had to take our time, go into different places or whatever. Now, even though I had a really tight schedule for them, if they enjoyed a certain area or a certain thing that they went to a little bit more, I just let them enjoy it, So. So a lot of y'all don't know, if you guys don't know about how old school Asians are, like the old parents or the old traditional Asian parents, like they came here with nothing, and they end up working hard. They don't know much English, and they end up working hard. Maybe it might be a lower paying job, or just a factory job, or it's just something, just enough to take care of the family, And throughout their whole life, that's all they know, is just whatever job they've been doing and just taking care of the family. And then any vacations, I know a lot of people, or even Americans, or just whatever, their vacations, they go to Disney World, or they go see the Grand Canyon, or just go on some scenic trip, go to the beach or whatever. But my family was never like that. The old school Asian parents, they usually don't do that. So they work hard all their lives, and then when they do take vacation, they take us to grandma's house or aunt and uncle's house or whatever, and we just sit there. So, every now and then they might take us to a mall or something like that. While we're on vacation, like at somebody's house. There's no sightseeing when I grew up. So, if your parents have taken you out somewhere, wherever it is, any small trips to the beach or just wherever, just appreciate it. Because we were raised up poor. We never ever even went to like an ice cream shop when I was a kid, because it was too expensive, They'll buy us ice cream at the store, but we never got to go to like an ice cream shop and get an ice cream cone there or whatever. But I don't really like looking back, I really don't care about that experience. Ice cream at home or ice cream out there, It's all the same to me. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, it's good today. Mmm. But I was craving Chinese food. Oh, and I tried when I was stuck at the airport earlier today. Yeah, they didn't have many restaurants, but they had a Shake Shack. I tried their chicken sandwich. Oh, it's pretty good. I like their chicken sandwich. Pretty good. Yeah, it had a nice crunch to it. And nice and juicy in the middle. Mm. 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 Oh man. Oh. Oh. But yeah, guys, I'm full. I stuffed my face. I just got back from the airport, and I threw on the camera, and got a little mukbang action going on for you guys. Got to talk to you guys for a minute, but yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower, go clean off my hands, take a shower, and just get some rest, and to get my day ready for tomorrow. And I will see you guys soon. Okay, it was great talking to you guys again. See ya.
Hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment if you want a shout out. Let's do some mukbang.